Name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I love to give you all the information, some of the stuff that's been out there. Many people call me and they don't know what's going on, but I just want you to know IRS is not going to send you any more green checks in the mail. That day is all gone. There's a number of reasons for it: tax fraud, theft. A matter of fact, during tax season last year, there was a ring going in all the mailboxes, stealing all their mail, knowing that most of the refund checks were issued on certain dates. So thieves would go in the neighborhood. They would go ahead and take everyone's mail. I found my mail in the middle of the street. Luckily, I was not going to fall for that. So I just want you to know what they're doing. You're going to file your tax return as usual. Nothing is going to change. You can expect your direct deposit coming back by a secure electronic transmission. In some cases, and it says here, and I want to read this for you, they can pay your prepaid debit cards and digital wallets. But you want to make sure who's ever preparing your return has this information set up. You're going to get your refund a lot quicker. There'll be no fraud involved. And I'm going to probably tell you within a week to 10 days, you will have your refund devoid of anyone ripping you off. So I just want to make you aware of that. Make sure if we're not doing your return, you have a preparer that is set up to get you your money and your refund back as soon as possible. This is really good news for everyone. The first year, you got to make sure this is set up correctly. And remember, if you move or transfer banks, you're going to have to make sure IRS and you keep up with that. Thank you so much. I appreciate give me a subscription. I always try to give you the information you need. Thank you for listening. Subscriptions are great.